I'm going to show you how to use hide on Taylor Pulse. According to the book in 104, option B, it says the hide function allows the content to remain assigned to the page by hidden from view on the page display. Okay, so let's see. I'm going again to my little pen right here, and I'm going to, before I do that, I'm going to disable or hide activity summary. So select, scroll a little bit down, it's our second option, hide, and we're going to check NSSID activity summary. We checked. This means that it will not be available for us to see on our page. So we click Save, Return, and that's it. As you can see, it's not available. Now I have our meter graph, and just really fast to enable it, we go back to the pen and we look the NSSID activity summary, we uncheck, we saved, return, and activity summary enable.